I'm about to unbox my new coffee machine. Stick around as I lift the lid. So let's have a look at the Gaggia Magenta Plus. So what have we got here? The mains cable, a small bag of bits and pieces which I'll come to later, the safety info, warranty certificate and manuals in various languages, the drip tray top, and the espresso cup riser. Get the polystyrene out of the way, and here's a surprise: a kilo of coffee beans courtesy of Gaggia Direct UK. Now for the machine itself. Get a good grip on it as it's quite heavy. It's well wrapped up for its journey from Italy. Best get this covering removed. So to that goodie bag of bits and pieces. There's a measuring spoon for pre-ground coffee, a small tube of grease to lubricate the brewing group, and a test strip to determine the hardness of the water to be used. And that's the espresso cup riser out of the bag. This is the drip tray cover plate, which isn't blue. It just needs the protective covering removing, down to the last few dimples. Place the cover onto the drip tray and the riser. Finally, the tape holding those loose parts firm. And that is it. So that's the Gaggia Magenta Plus unboxed. In future videos I'll be setting the machine up, and when I've got used to it there'll be a full review. Now you won't want to miss these videos coming up, so please sub my channel. All you have to do is click that button, and don't forget to activate and ding the bell, and then you won't miss a thing. If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up. So until the next time, it's goodbye from me, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.